Hello learners, here are your English most important short questions that has been repeated from last 2-3 years. The questions are from the chapter A Letter to a God. The question will, it is like, why did the postmaster send a reply to Lencho's letter? Explain the irony in the chapter. What is the irony given in this chapter? You need to explain it. This explain the irony in chapter A Letter to God can come in different way also. Then there is the next chapter, Nelson Mandela, the long walk to freedom. The question is, what does Mandela means by an extraordinary human disaster? The word here, extraordinary human disasters, will be repeated in other way. How does he define the greatest wealth of his country? The questions format may change, but these are the key word of this chapter. Then there comes next chapter 2, story about flying. The questions are, why was the young shield girl alone on the ledge, and how did his parents finally make him fly? The question format here also can change, related to how did his parents finally make him fly. Then comes from chapter glimpses of India. What is bread, an integral part of Goan life? Mention 2 legends regarding the discovery of tea. The question format of 2 legends regarding the discovery of tea is very important. It can comes in 6 marks also. Then comes madams ride the bus. The question is, why does the conductor refer to valleys as a madam? Or how is Valley referred as madam? And then, how did Valley save money for her first journey? This can come in 6 marks also. Then a trip of surgery. The question is, why was Dr. Heroid confident that Ricky would be in the hospital soon? This chapter typically comes from of 3 marks only. From this chapter you can get only 3 marks question. Then is the thief's story. Why did Hari Singh decided to return the money to Anil? It can come in explain the incident also. Then the last is footprint without fit. What complete Griffin to become a homeless vanguard? This is also important chapter. From here also 6 marks question come. Thank you. Wait for the next 6 marks question that has been repeated from last year. Thank you.